My cousins, Rena and Pino here. And it looks like we're gonna make some pizza today. Rena's upstairs making some homemade pizza. And we're just stoking up the fire here. I mean, look at what a nice setup, right? So that's their home up there, all of it. And this is their property. It extends beyond the gate. And this is their property down here too, right to that corner fence. And quanta anni ha questo focolario, Pino?
Un 70 anni sicuro.
So this thing is like 70 years old. So I'm sure it's made many a pizza. Look at how great that looks. We got a few pizzas, they're almost ready. We got some calzones right here. And they're going inspection. These we just pulled out of the oven. And we got the job site foreman here inspecting all of the pizzas. So look at that. And this oven's like 70, 75 years old. And look at this thing. What a setup. You gotta love it. La pizza com'era? Buona. Bellissima.